my God, crypto crash on World War III fears. Do you think World War III is coming? And do you think that's what caused the crypto crash? Look at this. Ethereum is below 3,000 at 2,900 for hours, right? And it's barely bouncing right now. So this all happened because Iran struck Israel, and now the world thinks World War III is on. Don't believe me? Here's what they're saying. Finally, major newspapers are admitting that the world is marching towards World War III, right? And who could have warned you about this month ago? Yes, months ago, when this whole conflict between Israel and Hamas started, Pablo made multiple videos warning you guys that World War III has started, right? 50% chance World War III, right? Has World War III begun, right? World War III starts Sunday. In many ways, we could say World War III maybe probably already started. We're already in the midst of it. You just don't know it yet. But how is that going to affect financial markets? Now, here is gold price, right? Gold price on Friday by the close of New York trading hours was actually down. Now, the attack came on Saturday. So one day beforehand, gold came down. So the market, that's weird. The market was already anticipating that there's going to be a retaliatory strike from Iran, right? And yet it wasn't worried, because if they're hugely worried about a major war right now, then gold will be spiking up. Also, look at this on Friday. US bond yields are down. Bond yields are down means bonds are up, means people are buying bonds, but you don't buy bonds during a war, because during a war, US government would be printing lots of money, and there would be lots of inflation, and that means bonds aren't worth much. So, but people are buying bonds. That means the market wasn't that worried about a war on Friday. So what happened to the markets? Basically, what happened was there was a shock a few days ago when Israel struck Iran embassies, right? But in Syria. And of course, Iran said they're going to retaliate, and that happened right on Saturday during daytime, their nighttime, right, in the Middle East. And there were many rockets fired into Israel, but all of this was anticipated so far. My personal theory is that the US stock markets and financial markets already knew by Friday closing that Iran response was going to be quite tame. So the crash in crypto was not related all that much to the war news, but it was actually just flashing out all the over-leveraged loans. This is another chance to buy the dip. I am buying this dip.